All right. Hello, folks. Welcome to week 5 of the Kubernetes release team meetings. I see people are adding their names to the attendees list. If you haven't done so, please do that. And then open discussion. Just want to call out that we do have a retro doc that is kind of ongoing. So if you ever notice anything that you'd like to talk about that we can improve on, especially if you're new to the release team, please just add it to the doc anytime. First up, we have enhancements. If Atarva or anyone from enhancement is here.
Hello. The current status of the announcements is right now yellow. Currently, 16 of them, 16 of the announcements are tracked right now, and
Oh, Atarva, I don't hear you anymore. Have you added anything else?
hello. Hello.
Yeah,
I can hear you now.
Yeah.
Can you hear me right now? So, did you get the status? I just talked about it, or was everything blurry?
You cut off in the middle for a second. I think you need to go over again.
Yeah. So the current status of the announcements is yellow, and we have tracked almost 16 of the announcements right now. And yeah, we have completed our outreach, but we'll outreach to the announcements that are currently at risk soon, today or tomorrow.
Okay, thank you for that. And please reach out if you need any help going through the enhancements. Any question for enhancements? Okay, if not, I'm going to move on to CI signal.
Hey everyone, the current status is green. There are about 3 flaky master informing tests, and we do not see any failing or flaky test on the master blocking. The Cube 128 Alpha 2 release is live. Thanks Mia for taking the responsibility for that. And we have a unit test flake on master informing board. And there is an issue open for it. Conversations are going to resolve it. The alpha.3 release is scheduled for 28th June, and Liam will be giving the no-go signal for that. That's all from CS signal.
Okay, thank you, Nancy. Bug triage.
Hey everyone, Mofi here from Bug Triage. Our status is green right now. We have 11 issues and 39 open PRs. All of them are right now almost all of them are being tracked. We are getting updates from the authors of the issues and PRs to get the status if they're ready for 128 release. We haven't gotten all of them back, but we are just like in contact with, we just made comments to them. That's all from Bug Triage.
Okay, thank you. And then docs.
Yes, so at the moment, we have no major updates, and we are just set to reach out to cap owners after the enhancement phase. That status is clean.
Okay, fantastic. Release notes.
Hello. So status is green. We have opened both PRs for the release note PR and website PR for 128 Alpha 2. Still not merged, but opened this week. And also the major teams discussion was created and is currently being tracked.
All right, fantastic. And then next up, we have comms.
Hey everybody, everything's good on our side. We're tracking the enhancements. Shout out to everyone that's contributed to that. It's looking really good and really easy for us to see what's going on. And yeah, we're just looking out for deprecations removals, and soon we'll join the SIG Docs blog bi-weekly meeting. Sorry, fortnightly meetings to start preparing for the future blogs as well. So all green for us.
Fantastic. I do have a question, not for comms, but for docs. Did any of y'all get a chance to go to the SIG Docs meeting?
I
Yeah,
haven't.
so
Tom or Carolina, did you go?
Oh, I was asking the docs team.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, it's not something that we've had in the guide to do in the past, but I think it's a great idea. Just because I think it's better than having to work with someone from SIGDocs directly. I think this is a nice way of kind of scaling them.
Okay. So that'd be a good thing to keep an eye out for. And then release branch management if Arnaud is here.
Hey, like Siasinol said, Alpha 2 was successful last week. So, and the new thing is like we now cut system packages during alpha releases. I think we're good for Alpha 3 next week.
Okay, fantastic. Yeah, thank you to the branch management folks and CI Signal for cutting that one. It was not a very clear signal. We had a couple task failings. And then I see that Leo doesn't have any updates. So I'm just going to move on to my release lead update. The first part is I'm just going to call out again that we do have a retro doc. We will have our first out of 2 or 3 retro meetings a couple weeks from now. So if anything that comes up that you think we can improve on, or even things that you think we did well and you appreciate, please add it in there. And then we are doing a survey for APAC time meetings. So if you haven't filled that out yet, this is the last call. I will schedule those meetings shortly. And then we have bug triage and CI Signal meeting right after this. Not right after, but like at the hour. So 10 PST or 1 p.m. Eastern time. This meeting is going to be discussing the merge of these 2 teams for the 1.29 release. Not mandatory, but everyone here is welcome to come. And then last but not least, because we have enhancements freeze tomorrow, it is also on the release calendar for enhancement parties. So we're just gonna come together and kind of go through the enhancements together. And everyone is also welcome to join that one. And then I see that, where do we get the meeting link for the bug triage CI Signal meeting? So if you go to the release team calendar at the top here, where is it? Calendar, yeah. If you go here, you should be able to see the meeting. It is all shared amongst us. Yeah, this one, it's also the same. We're using the same Zoom link. So if you just want to wait for that time and then join, that's cool too. And then I think SIG scalability status is green. And I'm not going to go through the project board. Okay. Does anyone have anything that they would like to bring up on the recording? Okay. If not, I'm going to stop the recording.